Hello everybody, we are in Barcelona in Spain for our Victoria's Secret Travel Retail Regional Sales Summit. We're very excited to host our first in-person event post-COVID to welcome all of our store leaders in the Europe region. We want to educate and inspire them all during this 3-day event. For day one of the event, we're going to start with a leadership panel, a chance for the associates to meet the leadership team of travel retail, and we're going to talk about the priorities that we've set for 2023 and also into 2024, how we're going to grow the business. And then we're going to give an update of the Victoria's Secret brand, talk a bit about the brand transformation journey, where we're heading next, and also a bit of news on the Victoria's Secret World Tour that is coming this fall. For day two, we're going to focus on the 6 key drivers of the customer experience. We're really going to deep dive into each of the key drivers because that is the most critical components to help the store leaders to drive their business and meet their business goals. And then we are giving all of the store leaders a chance to tell us all the great ideas that they have and also what are some of the opportunities we can help support them in driving their business. Finally, we are wrapping up day 2 with a fabulous dinner event at Gatsby, a chance for us to celebrate all of our successes and getting to know each other better and have a lot of fun as well. For day 3, we're starting with talking about selling strategies, and then we have a guest speaker. Elsa, she's an expert in emotional intelligence, and she's talking to us about how to stay optimistic through uncertain times and also how to take care of ourselves better. We hope that through these 3 days, our store leaders leave feeling informed, inspired, and very motivated to go back to their home markets and continue to drive their business. We hope that they feel proud to be part of the Victoria's Secret brand. Thank you so much.